I bought this box of Amazon products on the cheap, and I've been going through and picking out various products and doing a review and a tips and tricks on that product, and then leaving an Amazon affiliate link down below. Today we're going to be doing this product right here, and that's these ratchet belts. I've already bought ratchet belts in the past, not this exact version, but I can tell you I absolutely love them. Inside this box came 2 belts, and they were inside these dust bags right here, and a set of paper directions. It comes with this dark black belt that cannot be changed as far as its color goes, but this brown belt, its color can be changed to 6 different options. Everything from a darker brown that has a smooth finish like this, to a darker brown that has a finish very similar to this one, to a darker gray, and other options, but you have to choose that once you go to the Amazon link. It also gives you a choice, everything from a 28-inch waist size to a 56-inch waist size. I'll show you how that's done. If you cut it right here, you end up with a 28-inch waist. If you cut it right here, you end up with a 37-inch waist. But this is already set up for 38-inch, and of course everything in between. So each of your belts that you're ordering, you have to choose the size you want, but it gives you all these choices in between whatever size you choose, and by cutting it, it determines what length belt you actually end up with. Now I wear a belt about 34, 33, so if I cut it right here, I'll end up with 34. If I cut it here, I'd end up with 33, and of course this would give me 32. You can use a good stout pair of scissors, possibly, but that's kind of hard. I know from previous experience with other ratchet belts that you want to keep it as straight as possible. I like to take a straight edge and push it down on it really hard, and then either take a knife like this or a really sharp razor blade, but I prefer having something up underneath it like this so that I don't damage whatever I'm going to cut through. So set that holding there real tight, and I find if you take a razor blade and cut it a bunch of times, that cuts it. You can lift this up right here. But if you notice, see these teeth? These are little teeth. They are what cut into it right here. See those where the teeth was? This is the cut line for 38, but this here's where all the teeth are. So then you just take this, push the belt up in like that there, and then hold it really hard against it and push this down like that, and that gives you the 34-inch size. Of course yours would be whatever size you want it to be. This black right here has little notches in it. Those, when you took this and pushing up underneath here, if you look, there's a little snap thing that has a spring on it right here. So this is just going to slide underneath. Now listen, here how you can hear it click into each, and that's how it tightens on you. Now to release it, you're just hitting this button right here, and again you can see this lift up as I do it, and that's what allows you to pull this belt back out when it's on you. So you just take it, and out he comes. This is how it latches. It's really simple, and you can get exactly the comfort you want. So all you do is put this in, start pulling it. Here it's getting tighter, now tighter still. So you cinch it up to the level that feels comfortable to you. Then to take it off, this little lever I showed you earlier, all you have to do is lift up on it, hold it up, and the belt comes right off. I left an Amazon affiliate link down below. This is Ron from Fixing Stuff in Black and White, signing off.